everyone. Today in our phonics poetry book, we're going to be doing this sound right here. This is a sound that we practice a lot. Remember, your tongue is between your teeth, and that's the sound. So it's not quite like this. We want tongue between your teeth, and those two letters are a T and an H. So that's the sound that we're listening for today. So go ahead and call out some days of the week. Call out the day of the week that has that sound that we practice every single day. Thursday. You'll see that Mrs. Satcher used a capital letter. That's because it's a day of the week, so it gets a capital letter, just like our months of the year get capital letters. What are some other sounds that you know? Like, this says is, this says this. What are some other ones that you know? Hat. Or thief. Or three. Without that H there, it says tree. Put the TH in there and it says three. So let's read the poem. It's called The Thief. Anthony the thief stole thousands of jewels. At 3 in the morning, he snuck into the school. He took 30 big bags filled with math tools. He went back to his throne and laughed at the fools. Whew. Naughty Anthony. Let's read it one more time. I noticed that there's lots of sounds in the beginning, middle, and end words. So listen closely for where you hear the sound. Every time you hear me say, touch your nose while I'm reading. Anthony the thief stole thousands of jewels. At 3 in the morning, he snuck into the school. He took 30 big bags filled with math tools. He went back to his throne and laughed at the fools. So there were quite a few of them in there. I see over here, Anthony has that TH sound right in the middle. So I'm going to circle it. It's starting with a capital because it's the start of a sentence and because it's a name. So that's why that word has a capital. Here's one that has the sound in the beginning. Let's see if we can find one where there's the sound at the end. Did you find it? I found this one. Math. The sound is at the end. Circle all the sounds you hear, then choose 4 of them and write them on the back. Now we're going to stretch out these words and see if they're real words or made up words. So this word is this. That's a real word. What about this one? Is the sound that I is going to make. The rest of those sounds you know. Them. Kind of sounds like it, but them is actually spelled T-H-E-M. This is I-M, so that's not a word. Let's go over here. We're going to stretch out that word right here. Filth. Filth. That means super dirty. That's a word. So go through, color in all the words. If you need some help, ask someone at home. And then of course on the last page, drawing a picture of Anthony the thief and the 30 bags that he stole. Talk to you soon.